Imagine having your personal assistant you can reach out to anytime, anywhere, just by sending a message on Telegram. Need to send an email, get your calendar events, or manage tasks on Notion. This assistant does it all. In this video, I'll show you how to build an end-to-end workflow that integrates with Telegram, allowing you to send your questions or commands directly from Telegram and get responses in the same channel. Whether it is triggering workflows, fetching summaries, or managing tasks, this assistant will streamline your productivity like nothing else. Let's get started. Now, to connect your Telegram account, you need to go to this channel, BotFather. You can easily find it on the search of channels in Telegram on your mobile device. Now, click on Start, and it has provided range of options for us to go with. But for us, we'll go with new bot, create a new bot, and all right, what would you like us to call this name? We can name it, let's say, IKEA and 8N, and we have named our bot IKEA and 8N. And good, let's choose a username for this. So we'll write at IKEA and 8N bot. Make sure you write bot in the end, and let's see. So as you can see, it has generated a token, and it says use this token to access the HTTP API. So you need to copy this token right from the 7746 till N9 H seed HWI. So this is the token. You need to copy this and add it in your NA10. So let's jump to NA10. But before that, let's search if our bot is ready. Go to this search bar on Telegram and search IKEA at IKEA N8N bot. So there we go. Our bot is ready. Just click on start and we are ready to go. Now, before we move ahead, let's create the workflow for this. So open credentials and click on Telegram account. You will see this page. Here you need to paste your API token which you received from the new channel, and this will be a constant basic URL, so let's leave this as is. Now go to workflow and create new workflow. There, click on this Telegram, and we can select from range of options on channel post. So when do we want to trigger this workflow? I'll choose on channel post, or on message can also work. And here I'll add AI agent, okay, and chat model. So I'll add OpenAI chat model with 4O mini model and tools. So instead of tools, let's just keep this conversational. Instead of tools, conversational agent, and let's input system message for this. And I'll add the prompt, you are a science professor at a reputed university. Your job is to explain concepts in technical language to an undergrad student. So this is our Telegram workflow, and finally we should be receiving the data back on Telegram. So for that, we'll add Telegram chat here and get a chat, or maybe get a chat means you'll fetch some chat from the Telegram account. Instead, we will leave a message or send a message, which might be send a text message here, right? So I selected my Telegram account and send message. So for text, we will get the data from ChatGPT. So $JSON dot output, and for chat ID, we will need to fetch it from the Telegram account. So let's keep this as it is for now and see how are we receiving the chat ID from Telegram trigger. So let's save this and test this workflow. Okay, I think it will not let us move ahead before we add chat ID. So let's put it put a random chat ID 1234 here for now and save this, and our workflow is ready to be tested. So let's open our Telegram chat again, and I'll turn this active and test workflow, and I'll add explain general relativity to me, and let's see if this has triggered the workflow. This test workflow is on and executions has started. Explain general relativity to me, and let's see why this failed. Okay, so we received chat in a different manner, not in chat input manner. So I'll write message dot text. So that was my mistake. I'll write define below here, and expressions we will use JavaScript for this. Message dot text. Hopefully this will take the correct input, and we'll also check if we have received the chat ID already. So go to chat, Telegram chat, and here you will find message ID, message chat, and chat ID, right? So this we can use in here. So let's go to editor again, and instead of this we'll use JavaScript $JSON dot message dot chat dot ID, and let's see how this one works. So let's test our workflow again. I'll re-execute this from where it failed. So retry with currently saved workflow with from node with error. So let's see if this one works, and it is running. All right, it got stuck on another node, which is our chat. So I think it did not receive. Okay, so AI agent did not allow the earlier input to pass through. That's okay. That's not an issue. We'll directly get data from the Telegram node. So let's remove this dollar and Telegram trigger dot all 0. Okay, this is how you use it with Telegram. This might differ for different nodes, so there always can be issues or error with this. Yeah, there is no perfect way. So let's go back to where we failed, and I'll rerun this node. Uh, okay, I'll rerun this node, and it succeeded. So if you found this video helpful, do let us know how you would use this workflow in your office or at home or to do other personal tasks. And give us a like if you found this inspiring. Do subscribe to this channel for more such insightful videos of how to use N8N to automate our lives. And see you in the next video. Thank you.